Right, we're going to have a nice short little lesson today. We're going to do a starter and then look again at our 16-point compass. Okay, so we've got a 2-litre bottle of water. How many 150 millilitre cups can you fill from the bottle? So, different ways of doing this. You can go up your 150 times table, if you like, until you get to 2 litres, but hang on a minute. 2 litres, well, that's in litres and that's in millilitres. So first of all, we need to know how much water we've got in our big bottle. So remember, 1 litre is 1,000 millilitres. So this is 2,000 millilitres that we've got here. Okay, so we want to know how many 150s are in 2,000. I would probably start actually by knowing that 150 times 10 is 1,500. Okay, and then adding another one, that'll make 11. That'll give you 1,650. 12 will be 1,800. 13 would be 1,950. 14 would be 2,100. So that's too many. Okay, we haven't got 2,100 millilitres. So the answer is 13 cups, and there will be, look, if we're using that amount of water to fill 13 cups, there's 50 millilitres left over out of the 2,000. Okay, so like I say, I'm just going to look at a quick recap of compass points, and all we're going to do, literally all we're going to do in this lesson is just draw and label a 4-point, an 8-point and a 16-point compass. Okay, so rulers don't work particularly well when I'm doing this on my iPad, and they also clatter about and make a bit of horrible sound for you. So I'm going to do mine quite small so that I can keep it neat-ish. Okay, so excuse me doing diagrams without a ruler, that's dreadful. Right, so on a 4-point compass, you've just got the 4 basic directions. Never eat shredded wheat. So that is our 4-point compass. Okay, an 8-point compass has another 4 points added to it. So I'm just actually going to do this on the same diagram. So here we're having our extra 4 points, and these 4 points are in between the 4 that we already had. So that makes this one northeast, this one southeast, this one southwest, and this one northwest. And remember, for this, when you're looking at the ones that I've just done in blue, the ones that have got 2 letters, then the N or the S is always first. Okay? Then we're going to look at a 16-point compass, and actually we are just going to squeeze that in. So I'm just going to see if I've got a better colour to use so we can see difference. Right, so to make a 16-point compass, that means we're adding 8 extra directions. There's one there, there's one here, there's one here, excuse me, and there's one here. So now we can label all our green directions, and remember what we do is we look at what they're in between, right? So if we're starting with this one here, it's in between north and northeast. So the north goes first and the northeast second. So that's north, northeast. Okay, moving on to this one. That's between northeast and east, but it's a single letter that goes first. So that would be east, northeast. You get the hang of that? This one is in between east and southeast. So that one is east, southeast. This one this way is in between southeast and south, but remember it's a single letter that goes first. So it's south, southeast. Then moving on to the next one round, this one is in between south and southwest. So that is south, southwest. The one here is in between southwest and west. So that one's west-southwest. This one up here is in between west and northwest. So that one's, I just said it, west-northwest. And then the last one up here is in between northwest and north, but it's a single letter that goes first. So north, northwest. Okay, so we've got all our compass points there for our 16-point compass. And now we should be able to describe quite carefully where things are in relation to each other using compass directions. Okay, so that's all we were going to do today. We've already practiced it earlier on in the week. Just wanted to do a quick little recap. So that's us done. See you later.